Okay, awesome. Okay, guys, good evening. It's such a joy, such a amazing. Rebecca's got a baby. It's such amazing to see you on this presentation, and it gets me excited. Let me start sharing the screen, and we'll start with this one. We'll start with this one. And my name is Sveta Silverman. Some of you are newbies on this call, you don't know me. So other than I am a practicing physician part-time, finally part-time, kind of dwindling down to full-time retirement. So I can teach and spread health more and more and more. And that's why LifeVantage is part of that mission, which I'm doing since 2013. Now, so excitement. How would you like to look like this? The thing is, this is not a commercial picture. Despite that this has been approved by compliance, I know this person up close and very, very close, up close and personal. She's a very close friend of mine. So that happened to her, and obviously this picture is presented to you with her permission. So that is 7 days. My story is going deeper, and maybe on the next presentation, I will show you my pictures. So, you know, this is very exciting because I think most of you on the call, the majority are Canadians. And we're so excited because yesterday was the day of launching Canadian liquid collagen. However, guys, if you think, for me, that liquid collagen, and I specifically call it liquid, actually wrong, I should call it liquid collagen peptides for a reason, and I will explain why. But if you think that collagen or liquid collagen peptides about the skin, for me, no. For me, liquid collagen peptides is basically about every cell of the body and every organ of the body. And most important, today I'm talking about the duo, what is called glow stack. I'm talking about NRF2 synergizer per tandem in conjunction with True Science liquid collagen peptides. Why? Well, because we actually in LifeVantage have an amazing study. I will talk about it later. And that makes me, a physician, very proud, because not every study that sort of complies with the proper presentation and with no biases and proper statistical foundation. So there are a few major theories of aging. I really like two major theories of aging. One, we're aging by getting dirty. Literally, we're getting dirty. So dirty for the cells means free radical damage, aka known as oxidative stress. Because we know to clean oxidative stress or abundance free radicals, we need a whole bunch of antioxidants. The one that we consume, like, for example, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, and the most important, the one that we actually make to negate this free radical barrage. We need free radicals because it is a byproduct of cellular action or cellular metabolism. But we need to balance them with those antioxidants, and we don't. Accumulating a whole bunch of life, environmental stress from different modalities, whether it's food, whether it's pollution, whether it's different kind of emotional stress, and on and on and on, creates cellular stress. So and that leads to second aspect of aging, which is called mitochondrial aging, because mitochondria is that organelle that literally gives us life. But in order to give us life or combine oxygen with different modalities of foods, either fatty acids or different types of carbohydrates, it makes byproducts. It makes garbage. What are these garbage? Free radicals. So mitochondria gives us life, but it also takes life, because in order to sustain mitochondria, it needs to be clean. So these are two major theories of aging, as the oxidative stress and mitochondrial aging. So that's number one. Number two, why are we talking collagen? And why do they put fibroblasts? Fibroblasts are the cells that lay down collagen. But the funny part is, it's like catch-22. Collagen stimulates fibroblasts. Fibroblasts lay down collagen. Now, collagen, everybody knows, collagen is skin. Collagen is in every tissue. Collagen, look, brain, spinal cord, nerves, cardiac muscle, skin, different kind of muscles, and obviously our epithelium or our skin, and then bones and cartilage, and on and on and on, even fat. Now, when we talk collagen and why LifeVantage True Science collagen peptides are different, the industry is absolutely saturated with collagens. You have to know that the quality. First of all, where it's coming from. I don't support plant-based collagen. There is no such thing. Collagen is animal-derived thing, whether it's bovine, whether it's porcine, whether it's fish. So collagen is a combination of what is called amino acids, or little sort of fragments. And those fragments are combined into groups, which are called collagen peptides. And these groups are between, let's say, 3 to 100 amino acids. Now, the interesting thing about the collagen, so we have different amino acids. Why do we need amino acids? Because amino acids build our cells, but it also builds the proteins or enzymes, something that makes us function. So now, this collagen that comes from animal source, they contain what is called essential amino acids. So we make amino acids which are non-essential, but we need amino acids from the food. So, and these are called essential because we don't make them. So now, why the majority of the industry collagen doesn't work? Because it's not broken down. When it's not broken down, collagen molecule is huge. So it's not what is called bioavailable or bioabsorbable. So you eat it, but then it doesn't go into the cells because we don't chew, we don't have enough digestive enzymes, our pH is screwed up, so we don't digest, we don't absorb right. And the source is wrong and it is not cooked properly. So we all know that the amazing product that you can consume broken collagen is the bone broth, again, of different modalities, whether it's chicken bone broth, fish bone broth, beef bone broth, and on and on and on. You got the idea. So now, are there very good collagen products on the market? Absolutely. There are very good collagen peptides on the market, but what separates us? What separates us is the number, the types of collagen, because the majority of very good collagen peptides are applied for skin, the bones, and the tendons, and these are only type 1 and type 2, or type 1 and 2 collagens. But I believe that we are, in our product, the uniqueness of that composition, uniqueness of that part of the true science collagen peptides is the 10 types of collagen peptides. Why? Because I don't get into the details, but you can take a picture and look up what represents by every type of the collagen. So type 8, I just don't, I need to look it up again, but there's collagen, the one in retina, and in the heart muscle, and in the liver, and in the blood vessels, and of course the skin, the tendons, and the bones. And that's what unique in the brain, and that's what unique about us. That's why I said that our liquid collagen peptides are the replenishment of every cell. Obviously, while I was talking, you saw that it's dairy-free, gluten-free, blah, blah, blah. You got it. Now, let's talk about why NRF2 pretendum and liquid collagen. So what NRF2 pretendum? So pretendum is the nutraceutical that is composed of 5 herbs: ashwagandha, milk thistle, green tea, EGCG, turmeric, actually curcumin, not turmeric, purified curcumin, which is the most potent component of turmeric, and bacopa. And these are very clean, dehydrated herbs. Now, what do? They synergistically activate the protein complex, which is called NRF2. And this NRF2 is known as the master regulator by cellular health. And what it does, it turns on every detoxification pathway of the cell. And what it does, it turns on those inner antioxidant systems that clean free radical damage or oxidative stress. And some of you may know some designation as superoxide dismutase or master regulator antioxidant glutathione. Again, huge industry, glutathione. Now, so what happens is, so how does it do it? So pretendum turns on this NRF2 protein. So then it's activated and it goes into the nucleus and turns on these antioxidant genes. Now, if you don't have the substrate, if you don't have the building blocks or the amino acids, your activated genes are not going to do you any good. They may actually do you more harm than good. You need the substrates. So we activate, for example, one of the glutathione genes. There are a few of them. So then that glutathione gene turns on the whole bunch of processes to make this enzyme, which consists of 3 amino acids, which are in the liquid collagen peptides available, because our liquid collagen peptides being broken down into this small portions of 3 to 100 amino acids, it is actually bioavailable and bioabsorbable. It's available in the cells as a substrate. So then the gene is activated. And here comes amino acids that are available. So we're making this antioxidant that is going to clean the cells. So now, so here's the representation. So let's say these are the amino acids that are in our liquid collagen peptides. And now look what we need. So one of the major cellular antioxidants like this, and our famous superoxide dismutase, it contains that many amino acids with repeats. These are the foundation. So these are the building blocks. So this is kind of one step to the other. So absolutely, you can have NRF2 protandum and benefit the cells into activation of antioxidant metabolism, antioxidant chain of reactions. But you need the building blocks not only for the skin, for this elasticity and fullness and beautiful looks, but you need it to build those things. That's why it works. That's why the study now, I'm not giving you the whole study, what I'm giving you the conclusion. So why do I like the study? Because the study was done on human cells, normal cells, aka with a normal metabolism. But then what it's done, they did molecular study, they did DNA analysis and more, and then it's a computer analysis. You can fudge it. We would like to fudge it, but you cannot fudge it unless you modify the data, which obviously wasn't done. So that's why it's valid, it's not biased, and it's statistically significant. So as you see here, 21% of the genes were significantly up or down regulated by NRF2 synergizer, liquid collagen, or combination. But the most important thing is, and let me move this stuff. There you go. Yeah, so now I can read it. So the most important thing is that the effect of the immune modulatory pathways were upregulated by the two products. Together, they exert synergistic effect in activating or deactivating cellular stress response pathways. The stress response pathways are all part of innate immune response. The most important part of our immune system is the innate. Now, this is the continuity of these conclusions. This is an exciting discovery showing amazing results when combining NRF2 synergizer protandem liquid collagen. Both products together can deliver not only skin benefits, but also have an impact on the whole body connective tissue health. Now, synergistic impact on fibroblasts demonstrates that NRF2 synergizer and liquid collagen could make a significant impact on your health. Fine. Now, what I didn't tell you, so I told you that it's a foundation for SOD, glutathione, and blah, blah, blah. What I didn't tell you that liquid collagen peptides and other ingredients in it, which I will elaborate later, actually activate collagen genes or upregulate them. So now, so this is the study. It's not exactly the study. What happened is there is a dermatologist in San Francisco, California, Dr. Zand, and she's got more credentials than I do. She's a Harvard grad, Columbia fellow, blah, blah, blah. So huge dermatology practice. So what she did, she basically put her patients on True Science liquid collagen because she did not want any invasive procedures on the skin. And she did not want, what is it called, Botox. So, and see, this is her conclusions. Increased collagen density, decreased depth of crow's feet, reduced skin roughness, increased, okay, this we're not going to describe that, prevents collagen breakdown, increased skin moisture, and improves skin elasticity. So this is her, it's not the study, it's basically her follow-up on her patients. Now, so we launched collagen, and Canadian formulation is a little bit different from American, lucky us, because I actually think that we're better. So we're having, so we have, the composition is liquid collagen peptides from very sustainable and wild fishes. Great. From European source. So now the next thing is a lycopene. Where's a lycopene? Lycopene is in tomatoes or tomatoes. Now, what do we know about tomatoes? They're very, very healthy, and some of us, like Tammy Rahadin, can cook them amazingly, amongst other people. But lycopene is extremely healthy for whom? For guys, prostate health. So then, what does it do? Well, induction of phase 2 detoxification enzyme means induction of our inner antioxidants. GCS is a glutathione. So now, what it does, it reduces MMP1, which decrease the degradation of collagen, a breakdown of collagen, and it increases CoA1A. This is the gene that stimulates collagen. Now, the next thing is, that's exactly what I'm saying. So it increases the gene that stimulates production of collagen by 125% and decreases the one that breaks down collagen by 50%. Now, so this is the glutathione increase by 150. Now, blueberry spinach. Do I have to talk to you about blueberries? We know how great they are. Blueberries are polyphenols. It's an absolute must in our diet. It's an amazing prebiotic. Now, spinach. We love spinach because it's that green. It's that green that gives us vitamin Bs. It's that green that gives us something that is extremely important, that gives us nitric oxide. Nitric oxide provides the health of our blood vessels. So now this combination of blueberry and spinach does this. Let me move this back. Okay, so that increases the collagen absorption by 80%. So we have beautiful substrate of liquid collagen peptides. So spinach, blueberry, not only healthy from other stuff, increases the collagen absorption. Lycopene helps to increase the synthesis of collagen and decrease the degradation of collagen. And everything tastes yummy, yummy, whoever tasted it. So now let's get out from this share and let's do into the details of this. So now let's get into nitty-gritty. So now we are doing this. Okay, so we discussed that. Now, what does it mean hydrolyzed? Hydrolyzed means it's basically those fishes, or actually the bones and the skin of the fishes, because that is most collagenous. So that is basically a boil. There is no chemicalized. So now, what do we have? No added sugar, no added sweeteners, GMO-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free. Claims. We have an amazing claim, guys. Americans don't have it, we do. Helps to reduce joint pain associated with osteoarthritis. Guess what happens when we get older? We started to get knuckles, we started to get joint pains, we started to get achy. Source of antioxidants, we described that. Source of essential amino acids in main, we described that. Source of non-essentials, we kind of described that. Next. So this is what's difference between us and Americans. Now, so these are the prices. And obviously, subscription is much cheaper. Not only subscription is much cheaper, this comes with free shipping and handling. And this doesn't come with free shipping and handling. Now, this is a stack that is now available for consultants or distributors. Now, another thing is what I am not presenting, however, we may do. So this is consultant staff. So this is another trick. Any of guests, and there are a few guests on this Zoom, if any of you decides to go on this, there's a promotion. You're going to get a product that is called True Renew. And just before we finish this Zoom, some of you guys may share what True Renew does to you. Now, the value of True Renew is over $80. So, and that's about it. So let me do this now. If any of you decides to become a consultant and then bring on board people who sign up for the liquid collagen, you're getting extra minus, not extra, but you're getting $20 discount. And that is about it for this. So now, guys, let me stop recording.